All right, so as you probably know, there are a lot of ways to earn by using Amazon affiliate links, and you're here because you want to know how to get started. So you can go to affiliate-program.amazon.com, or you can just simply Google Amazon affiliate program and you will see it pop up first. So we're gonna go to that site here. You're just gonna say sign up, and then you can log in with your regular Amazon account, or you can create a separate account for the brand that you will be using for your advertising. Once you are logged in, you will see the first thing that it will ask you is where your payment should go when it's time to get paid. The next screen will have you enter the websites that your affiliate links will be on, where you're going to add them. So this might be your main website. Anywhere that you're going to be using affiliate links just need to be there. And then you will see kind of like a questionnaire. So you're going to put your preferred associate store ID. You're going to make sure your website list is what you just entered. Then you'll answer what your website is about, the primary topic, and then the way that you drive traffic to your site. And once you are done with this whole questionnaire, agree to the terms, please be sure to read them so you know what you're doing. And then you will have your finished application. Note, this is an application, so you will have access right away. You'll have a unique associate ID, but they will still be reviewing. So that's something to keep in mind. And then you can choose to enter your payment info now or later, and then you can access your dashboard. This is going to show you where everything is, how to use everything, what everything's going to look like for you, and most importantly, product linking. But then you have your earnings overview, your summary, everything that you might want to see at a glance. And then once you have reviewed that, they also have a bunch of other resources to figure out how to best get started. There is plenty to explore, but let me show you a different way to do this. So when you're logged in with the same account that is what you use for Amazon affiliates, you will have, like, let's say you're on a product, you'll have this bar up here that says Amazon Associates Site Stripe. You can just get the link by pressing one of these icons, and it'll generate exactly what you need. So like, let's say I wanted just a text code for this book, I can just select text, and then I have a code just right there, and that will give me credit just by getting that. It's really that easy. And then I can like attach that to text or an image or something. But you could also do an HTML code. So this right here will show this image and just the image, and you can change the size. But then there's text and image, and it'll show up vertically like this. And then there's custom. For some reason, this is not letting me press it, but it's never done that before. But it is basically a horizontal version of this is what will pop up. So that's how to generate links really quickly from any page that you're on, any product that you're on. But then the next thing I'm going to show you in the follow-up video to this is how to create an Amazon shop storefront that looks like this, to where you can put ideas lists in here, and when somebody clicks on it, they will see basically everything you recommend within your list. So stay tuned for that, and I hope this was helpful. Go ahead and get signed up and start linking all your affiliate links and start making some money.